Star 11 presents first ever music reality show, Deccan Music Challenge. This part of the presentation is supported and sponsored by American Telugu Association, ATA, Telugu Association of Southern California, TASC, Archana Dental Care, Your Family Dentistry, Greater Portland Telugu Association, GPTA, Telugu Association of Greater Sacramento, TAX.
Deccan Music Challenge.
This program is brought to you by Space, Sashi Pritam's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment. Audition partners, Rito app, mobile app partners, Movility, OTT partners, FMD, radio partners, Big FM 92.7, web partners, Orange Moon Concept Media, Michigan, Star 11 Entertainers, California.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome to the Deccan Music Challenge, and today is the contest of the solo singers contesting from Group A. The judges for today are Samanita Sharma and Ravi Verma. Also, we have the curator and the expert analyst of the show, Shashi Pritam Garu. So let's listen to the first song by the first contestant today.
Oi Rangama Mangama, Oi Rangama Mangama, Rangama Mangama em pilladu pakkane untadamma pattinchukodu. Rangama Mangama em pilladu pakkane untadamma pattinchukodu. Gollabama vachi na gorugillutunte, Gollabama vachi na gorugillutunte, pulla chima kuttina పెదవి సలుపుతుంటే ఉఫ్ఫమా ఉఫ్ఫమా అంటూ దడు ఉత్త మట్టకైనా నన్ను ఊరుకోబెట్టాడు. ఉఫ్ఫమా ఉఫ్ఫమా అంటూ దడు ఉత్త మట్టకైనా నన్ను ఊరుకోబెట్టాడు. ఆడి పిచ్చి పిచ్చి ఉసులోన మునిగి తేలుతుంటే మర్చిపోయి మిరపకాయ కొరికినానంటే మంటమ్మా మంటమ్మా అంటే చూడడు మంచి నీళ్ళైనా సితికియడు. మంటమ్మా మంటమ్మా అంటే చూడడు మంచి నీళ్ళైనా సితికియడు. రంగమ్మా మంగమ్మా రంగమ్మా మంగమ్మా రంగమ్మా మంగమ్మా ఏం పిల్లడు పక్కనే ఉంటాడమ్మా పట్టించుకోడు. హే రామశిలకమ్మ రేగి పండు కొడుతుంటే రేగి పండు గుజ్జు వచ్చి కొత్తగా చుట్టుకున్న రేఖ మీద పడుతుంటే, హే రామశిలకమ్మ రేగి పండు కొడితే రేగి పండు గుజ్జు నా రేఖ మీద పడితే మరకమ్మ మరకమ్మ అంటే చూడడు మరు రేకైనా తెచ్చియడు. మరకమ్మ మరకమ్మ అంటే చూడడు మంచి నీళ్ళైనా సితికియడు. రంగమ్మా మంగమ్మా రంగమ్మా మంగమ్మా రంగమ్మా మంగమ్మా ఏం పిల్లడు పక్కనే ఉంటాడమ్మా పట్టించుకోడు. నా అందమంత మూడగట్టి అರೆ కంది సెణుకే ఎళితే ఆ కందిరిగలొచ్చి అడ ఇడగుచ్చి నన్ను చుట్టుముడుతుంటే, నా అందమంత మూడగట్టి కంది సెణుకెళితే కందిరిగలొచ్చి నన్ను చుట్టుముడుతుంటే ఉషమ్మా ఉషమ్మా అంటూ తొలడు ఉలకడు పలకడు బండరాము ఉషమా ఉషమా అంటూ తోల్లడు ఉలకడు పలకడు బండరముడు రంగమ్మ మంగమ్మ రంగమ్మ మంగమ్మ రంగమ్మ మంగమ్మ ఏం పిల్లడు పక్కనే ఉంటాడమ్మా పట్టించుకోడు హే రంగమ్మ మంగమ్మ ఏం పిల్లడు పక్కనే ఉంటాడమ్మా పట్టించుకోడు.
Vandana chose a song that's different from what she generally sings, and I think she did a really good job. So let's look at the scores and the remarks given to her by the judges.
Vandana, good try, neat singing, you sound very nice. Just need a little bit more attitude and power for such songs. All the best.
హాయ్ వందన, ఈ పాట అంటే నువ్వు పాడితే ఎలా ఉందంటే కొంచెం ఇంకా అంటే అంతకుముందు అనిపించలేదు, కానీ ఈ పాట ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ స్కూల్ గర్ల్ లాగా అనిపించావు అనమాట. సో అంటే ఇంకా నువ్వు ఒక 2 years తర్వాత ఈ పాట పాడుతుంటే ఇంకా బాగుండేదేమో. బట్ అంటే అంటే నీ వైపు నుంచి నీ ఎఫర్ట్ కానీ లేకపోతే నీ వాయిస్ కానీ రియలీ గుడ్. బట్ ఏంటంటే అక్కడక్కడ చిన్నపిల్లలా అనిపించింది. బట్ యువర్ ఎఫర్ట్ అండ్ యువర్ వాయిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ గుడ్. ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్ వందన.
Thank you, judges. So what is your feedback about Vandana's song today?
Oh yeah, as you've actually mentioned, she been singing a lot of melody songs in the contest, and today she sang a very folkish number. If you actually close your eyes and listen to her voice, and if you are not told that it is sung by Vandana, then it is very difficult to even imagine that, because her voice is sounding so different, and yeah, I mean, it's got all that, the rawness required for singing folk, and the nice slurs she has actually exhibited in her performance are really amazing, and very good job, Vandana. Keep it up.
Thank you so much, Suran. Hopefully Vandana keeps going in this space. So now we'll be taking a short break and we'll be right back, so please don't go anywhere.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome back to the Deccan Music Challenge, and now we'll be listening to the second contestant.
चली रे जुनू खोले खतरा खतरा लामो हो खो दे पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिखरा खुदी से मैंने इश्क किया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ चली रे जुनू खोले है पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिखरा खुदी से मैंने इश्क किया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ ओ ओ छोटे छोटे लम्हों को तितली जैसे पकड़ो तो हाथों में रंग रह जाता है पंखों से जब छोड़ो तो वक्त चलता है वक्त का मगर रंग उतरता है आखिर उड़ते उड़ते फिर एक लम्हा मैंने पकड़ लिया रे जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ हल्के हल्के पर्दों में मुस्कुराना अच्छा लगता है रोशनी जो देता हो तो दिल जलाना अच्छा लगता है एक पल सही उम्र भर इसे साथ रखना है जिंदगी से फिर एक बात मैंने कर लिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ चली रे जुनून खोलिए पिंजरे से उड़ा दिल का शिखरा खुदी से मैंने इश्क किया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया ओ ओ ओ
Rachna sang a very playful song, and I think she did her best because she keeps singing playful songs all the time, and it sounded really nice. So now let's look at the scores and the remarks given to her by the judges.
Rachna, great try, excellent presentation. Just listen to the nuances a little bit more carefully and concentrate on the pitching, especially in the higher notes. All the best.
Hi Rachana, you did very well really. It's even Hindi pronunciation also very good, and this time you performed very well, and no need to say anything, and keep practicing and keep going like this. All the very best.
Thank you so much, judges. So what is your feedback about Rachna's song?
Very good singing, and yes, I mean Rachna is talented, but she needs to improve a lot on the diction of Hindi language, and it could be slightly better. And also there are some pitching issues also here and there, which needs to be perfected. And apart from that, it's a good presentation.
Thank you so much, sir, and hopefully Rachna improves her diction and she does much better. So now we'll be taking a short break and we'll be right back.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Space, Sashi Pritam's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment, is a cinema technology and skills academy, providing coaching in music programming, sound recording, non-linear editing, digital cinematography, playback singing, and a comprehensive module of filmmaking. Contact our office for more information on the commencement dates and slot availability.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome back to the Deccan Music Challenge, and now we'll be listening to our third contestant.
నాకిష్టం, నీ నవ్వంటే నాకిష్టం, నువ్వంటే నాకిష్టం, నా నువ్వైతే నాకిష్టం, నాలో ఆలాపన ఆగేనా ఆపినా ఎదలో లయ వినవా ప్రియా, నువ్వంటే నాకిష్టం, నీ నవ్వంటే నాకిష్టం. చేరువ దూరము లేవులే ఇష్టమైన ప్రేమలో, ఆశలే కంటిలో బాసలే ఇష్టమై చూపులే, కోపతాపాల తీపి శాపాల ముద్దు మురిపాల కథ ఇష్టమే, ఎంత అదృష్టము మన ఇష్టమే ఇష్టము, నువ్వంటే నాకిష్టం, నీ నవ్వంటే నాకిష్టం, నువ్వంటే నాకిష్టం, నా నువ్వైతే నాకిష్టం. ఎగసే ఆగువల కన్నా మెరిసే ఆ మబ్బుల కన్నా కలిసే మనసేలే నాకిష్టం, పలికే ఈ తెలుగుల కన్నా చిలికే ఆ తేనెల కన్నా చిలక గోరింకకు నువ్విష్టం, ఇష్ట సఖి నువ్వై అష్టపది పాడే అందాల పాటల్లో నీ పల్లవిష్టం, నువ్వంటే ఎంతిష్టం, నీ ప్రేమంటే అంతిష్టం, నేనంటే నాకిష్టం, నాకన్నా నువ్విష్టం.
Suresh put in a lot of effort and I think he did pretty well in the song. So now let's look at the scores and the remark given to him by the judges.
Suresh, excellent singing, very, very melodious. Wherever there are frills towards the ends of the lines, in those places the frills have slipped a little bit, only in this particular song. So you might want to mind that. And also, there are some minor pitching issues in this song. Otherwise, great singing. All the best.
హాయ్ సురేష్, ఇంతకుముందు నువ్వు పాడిన పాటల్లో అంటే నీ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఎలా ఉందో దిస్ టైమ్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ సేమ్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్, కానీ బట్ దిస్ టైం తెలిసిందనమాట. అంటే ఆ క్లాసికల్ గ్లైడ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, అంటే క్లాసికల్ నేర్చుకుంటే వచ్చేటువంటి ఆ స్కిల్కి మామూలుగా డైరెక్ట్గా నేర్చుకొని పాడడం వల్ల ఆ గమకాలు నీలో తానా అవి ఏంటంటే కొంచెం జారుడు గమకాల్లాగా అనిపించాయి. అలా కాకుండా క్లాసికల్ నేర్చుకొని ఉంటే అవి డెఫినెట్గా నేర్చుకుంటే డెఫినెట్గా ఇంకా నువ్వు బాగా పాడతావు. And all the very best, Suresh.
Thank you so much, judges, for your remark and the scores that you awarded. So what do you think about Suresh?
Suresh has again presented a very nice song, a melodious song. Though it's simple, it's good to sing it correctly, and then especially in a contest, you should not complicate yourself much. So Suresh did a great job, and then I think he's doing good all through the entire contest. His performances have been very, very steady and uniform, and we wish him good luck.
Thank you so much, sir, and hopefully Suresh keeps going in this space. So now, like always, we'll be taking a short break and we'll be right back.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome back to the Deccan Music Challenge, and now we'll be moving forward with our fourth contestant.
মেঘের পালক চাঁদের নোলক কাগজের খেয়া ভাসছে, মেঘের পালক চাঁদের নোলক কাগজের খেয়া ভাসছে, ভুকু থুকু পুকু চাঁদ পানা মুখ চিলে কোঠা থেকে হাসছে, মেঘের বাড়িতে ভেজা ভেজা পাই তাথই বর্ষা, কাক ভেজা মন জল থই রাত্রে হলো ভরসা, আমি তুমি আজ একাকার হয়ে মিশেছি আলোর বৃত্তে, মোমো চিত্তে নীতি নৃত্যে গেজি নাচে, মেঘের পালক চাঁদের নোলক কাগজের খেয়া ভাসছে। ভিজে আয়না এই শহর আবজ ভোর তেরে পায় না, জল টপ টপ পায় ছন্দ রাতে জুই ফুল, জল টপ টপ পায় ছন্দ রাতে জুই ফুল, হাতে হাত রেখে আলোক শালক স্বপ্নে মশগুল, অগোছলো মন নেমেছে শ্রবণ মেঘ থই ছড়ে না, আমি তুমি আজ একাকার হয়ে মিশেছি আলোর বৃত্তে, মোমো চিত্তে নীতি নৃত্যে গেজি নাচে, মেঘের পালক চাঁদের নোলক কাগজের খেয়া ভাসছে। চড়ানো পথ ভিজে আয়না এই শহর আবজ ভোর টের পায় না, জল টপ টপ পায় ছন্দ রাতের জুই ফুল, জল টপ টপ পায় ছন্দ রাতের জুই ফুল, হাতে হাত রেখে আলোক শালক স্বপ্নে মশগুল, অগোছলো মন নেমেছে শ্রবণ মেঘ থই ছড়ে না, আমি তুমি আজ একাকার হয়ে মিশেছি আলোর বৃত্তে, মন চিত্তে নীতি নৃত্যে কেজি নাচে রঙের দোয়াতে আঁকে বুকে ভর এলো মেলো ঘড়ি কাটছে দিন পাল্টায় আলো আলতায় দুটো মন আজ হাঁটছে যত অলি গলি আকলি বিকলি এ পথ চলো কদ্দু আগুনের আছে আনাচে কানাচে তুমি আর আমি রোদ্দুর তুমি আমি তিন সত্যি হয় বাকি সব আজ মিথ্যে চিত্তে নৃত্যে নাচে মেঘের বালক চাঁদের নুলুক কাগজে খেয়া ভাসছে মেঘের পালক চাঁদের নুলুক কাগজে খেয়া ভাসছে
Kavya keeps singing songs from different languages, even though her mother tongue is Telugu. I think she did a really good job. So now let's check out the scores and the remarks given to her by the judges.
Kavya, great singing, and you have attempted to sing a song in a different language, and you have also understood the diction of the language correctly, which is a fantastic thing. If you can work on your dynamics a little bit, it will take your singing to a whole different level. All the best.
Hi Kavya, this time you did very well. Really, I don't know, maybe this language Bengali or Marathi I think, and really ఇది నీ వాయిస్కి చాలా చాలా బాగా సూట్ అయింది. అండ్ అంటే రియల్గా నీ మదర్ టంగ్ ఇదేమో అన్నంత, అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్లో ఎలాగైతే ఆ తెలుగు పాటని ఎట్లా అయితే పాడావో వి సినిమాలో పాట, మళ్ళీ అలాంటి పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఈ ఎపిసోడ్లో కనిపించింది దిస్ టైం. And really good, and all the very best, Kavya.
Thank you so much, judges, for your opinion. So what is yours?
Kavya, yes, Kavya, you've done a great job. Also, you've attempted in singing a completely different language song, which is pretty difficult to actually, master the language and the expressions and try to understand what's the meaning of the song and the composition and all that. So, but Kavya has done a great job, and even her singing capacities, if we actually look at her, even the kind of scores given by our judges also, they are also agreeing to, Kavya's performance is definitely a shade better in this situation when compared to the other singers in today's contest. So, but somehow I still, if you actually ask me my personal assessment, I feel today, though we still have Uma Krishna to come, Vandana's performance has been definitely a surprise, because the kind of song she has chosen and the kind of singing she has exhibited is much more than what she has done in the previous rounds. So if you actually ask me, my personal opinion today would be, I would place Vandana as the top on the charts. Then we have Kavya, and then we have Rachna, and then we have Suresh, and maybe depends on the kind of performance that Uma Krishna is going to do today. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. And now we'll be taking a short break, so please don't go anywhere.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Space, Sashi Pritam's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome back to the Deccan Music Challenge, and now we'll be listening to our last contestant.
కమ్మని ఈ ప్రేమ లేఖనే రాసింది హృదయమే, ప్రియతమా నీ వచట కుశలమా నే నిజట కుశలమే, ఊహలన్నీ పాటలే కనుల తోటలో తొలి కలల కవితలే మాట మాటలో ఓహో కమ్మని ఈ ప్రేమ లేఖనే రాసింది హృదయమే ప్రియతమా నీ వచట కుశలమా నే నిజట కుశలమే గుండెల్లో గాయమేదో చలంగా మాడిపోయే మాయ చేసే అమాయే ప్రేమాయే ఎంత గాయమైనా గాని నా మేనికేమి కాదు పువ్వు సోకి నీ సోకు కందేనే వెలికి రాని వెర్రి ప్రేమ కన్నీటి ధారలోన కరుగుతున్నది నాదు శోకమోపలేక నీ గుండె బాధపడితే తాళనన్నది మనుషులెరుగలేరు మామూలు ప్రేమ కాదు అగ్ని కంటే స్వచ్ఛమైనది మమకారమే ఈ లాలి పాటగా రాసేది హృదయమా ఉమాదేవిగా శివుని అర్ధ భాగమైనాలోన నిలువుమా శుభలాలి లాలి జో లాలి లాలి జో ఉమాదేవి లాలి జో లాలి లాలి జో మమకారమే ఈ లాలి పాటగా రాసేది హృదయమా నా హృదయమా
Uma Krishna put a lot of effort, and I think he did a pretty great job, although his voice cracked in the middle a couple of times. So now let's look at the scores and the remark given to him by the judges.
Uma Krishna, good singing. You've got a very, very melodious voice. You might want to work a little bit on the grooving of the song and also slight issues with the pitching. This particular song, I thought the feel could have been a little bit more pronounced. But overall, good singing.
హాయ్ మిస్టర్ ఉమాకృష్ణ లాస్ట్ టైం కన్నా కాదు అసలు ఈ పాట రియల్గా నీ వాయిస్కి బాగా సూట్ అయింది అండ్ నువ్వు కూడా బాగా పెర్ఫామ్ చేసావు లాస్ట్ టైం యూ ఫేస్డ్ సమ్ డిఫికల్టీ అదే అండ్ ఏంటంటే ఎంత అంటే ప్రతిసారి అదే అందరికీ చెప్పేది అదే ఏంటంటే ఒక క్లాసికల్ సింగర్ అయినా ప్రొఫెషనల్ అంటే కమర్షియల్ సింగర్ అయినా ఎవరైనా హాబీగా పాడినా ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇట్ మేక్స్ అంటే ఇంకా బెటర్గా మనం పెర్ఫామ్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది సో ఆల్వేస్ ప్రాక్టీస్ వెల్ అండ్ ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్ ఉమాకృష్ణ
Thank you so much, judges. So what do you think about Uma Krishna?
Well, Uma Krishna, there's nothing much to worry about his performance. He's a good singer, but it's a bad day there's a bad day for everyone in every situation. Today is a bad day. He could not do it that great. But yes, I mean, a lot of practice is required for Uma to make his singing better. And I hope he does it and he keeps going strong with his beliefs and his talent. And improve your skills, Uma, and that's what we can tell you as of now. And yes, great going. Good luck.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we'll quickly look at the tally of the marks given to the contestants today. The rankings of the contestants that have performed so far.
Space, Sashi Pritam's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment.
This part of the presentation is supported and sponsored by American Telugu Association, ATA, Telugu Association of Southern California, TASC, Archana Dental Care, your family dentistry. Greater Portland Telugu Association, GPTA. Telugu Association of Greater Sacramento, TAX.
Tech and Music Challenge.
This program is brought to you by Space, Sashi Pritam's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment.
This is This Vision Live. You are requested kindly to stay safe and avoid physical contact. Please wear your face mask at all times. This Vision is also not responsible if you go home with a blown mind. We request you to tell your loved ones that you love them, as this is about to go down.
Negative state, that's further, just take care of me and warn us. Negative state, that's further, just take care of me and warn us.
Emotions are running high here on the street as people are preemptively shocked and outraged at what has occurred. Reactions are consistent with our inevitable poll results, which show 98% of viewers feel the best way to stop an inevitable disaster would be to not let it happen in the first place. Better pipelines and stronger ships each receive significantly fewer votes.
What's up, Moonshine? I know this. Yeah. I know that this is the pandemic and there's like a lot less people here, and all those people watching this snippet, all this what's going on stage, a big hi from This Vision. We're an alternative rock band, and we are a college band. We're from Loyola Academy. Sorry about that. We're going to be playing an thank you. We're going to be playing an all original composition set for you all. All these songs are written by us, and it's mostly about love. I'm sorry if you're like single, but I hope you take. Okay, so the first song is called Two of Us. It's pure alt rock. Hope you all like it. My eyes have turned blind, oblivious to everything all around. Your voice makes me lose it all again. My head just starts spinning round. Speechless, you leave me things to do, but I just can't really say. Did I just give my heart to you? Did you just take away? Hey, easy, the way you look at me without looking your eye. to your embrace, my hiding place to find you, love. Would you choose to be my forever, everything, the two of us? Reflection I see everywhere. I'm dreaming about your face. Seconds go by infinitely, hours and then 2 days. Your name makes my heart drop, not just that, I fall for you over again. One thing I ask all this while, damn girl, where have you been? Hey, easy, the way you look at me without looking your eyes. How did you find me? Become all the answers to every single why. I have nowhere else to ride, no other place. Run to your embrace, my hiding place to find you, love. Would you choose to be my forever, everything, the two of us?
I really like the beginning of the song where they played all the instruments and sounded really nice. Now let's look at the scores awarded to them by the judges.
This vision. Decent songs, bad performance. There were way too many instruments which were not really utilized. The sound was muddy. There was definitely lack of coordination between the members, and the vocalist should definitely work on his singing. The songs were actually pretty catchy, decent lyrics, and if they had been performed well, the song would have actually been memorable. But I would definitely blame the performances for a bad show.
Thank you so much, judges. So what do you have to say about their first song?
Yeah, it's a college band, and they've got the right attitude and the presentation style. Everything is good, and then they have come up with their own original compositions, which again is very commendable. And yes, but they could seriously improve on the vocals, because the vocals are not that impressive. There's so much to do. I mean, it can really sound so much better if they have better vocalists. Though the quality of the singing and everything is good, but the capacity of singing matters when it comes to. And actually, when the compositions are good, you need a better singer to basically sing it. That's how it is. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, and we'll probably get a better opinion once we listen to many more of their songs. Now let's quickly take a short break and we'll be right back, so please keep waiting.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Space, Sashi Pritam's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome back to the Deccan Music Challenge. Now let's quickly listen to the second song by This Vision.
shine on me, won't you make me see? I'm waiting for you and me to be we. You're my sugar, you're my sugar, you're my sugar so sweet. You're my sugar, you're my sugar, you are someone I will need. Memories I've got, memories I'll make. Stuff you see is real, the love you feel ain't fake. Thing that don't seem real don't mean to me much. Ever since I really felt you, soft to the touch. You're my sugar, you're my sugar, you're my sugar so sweet. You're my sugar, you're my sugar, you are someone I will need. As happy as ever, sure we will be. I'm waiting for you and me to be we. You're my sugar, you're my sugar, you're my sugar so sweet. You're my sugar, you're my sugar, you are someone I will need. You're my sugar, you're my sugar, you're my sugar so sweet. You're my sugar, you're my sugar, you are someone I will need. Okay, you guys sing. You're my sugar. Okay, whoever's watching this, you can sing this pretty simple. See, you're my sugar. You're my sugar. You are someone I will need. Someone I will need. Thank you.
It's again their own composition and they did a really good job and it was very groovy as well and I enjoyed myself. Now let's look at the scores given to them by the judges.
This vision, you guys were really good. I really enjoyed you guys and I enjoyed the intro. I mean, I really liked the way you guys put in your first song intro, and then somewhere I felt the energy was not carrying on to the whole song, and I think you guys are doing really good. Maybe a little more practice and a little more energy would do. Thank you.
Thank you so much, judges. So what is your opinion about their second song?
Yeah, I mean, they're doing good. I mean, no doubt about that. And their compositions are really good in terms of the lyrical content as well as the composition, quality of the composition, all that. And even when we have to discuss about the knowledge and the skill of each of the instrument players and all that, all of them seem to be really, really good. and for their original compositions and for their knowledge and skill, definitely the judges have been very favorable in terms of awarding them the points. I still do not agree that when it comes to the vocalist and the singing quality, there's so much more that can happen, and it should be a little more impressive. It's seriously not happening. Yeah, up to the mark. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time for us to take a break again, so please don't go anywhere and we'll be right back with you.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome back to the Deccan Music Challenge, and now let's quickly listen to the third song by This Vision.
You guys can clap along. The way that you look into my eyes, angel in jeans in disguise. Where are you from? Are you from heaven? Were you sent for me? It's crazy how all this happened at once. Too many questions, I'm sorry, hon. I need answers to this. Are you the one? Ooh, I don't have a clue. I'm losing my mind over you. Tell me it's just me, but do you feel the same way that we were meant to be? We were meant to be. Everything just adds up to the thought of you and me. All that I know, wherever we will go, oh, let me have your heart, take mine the way that it should. The way that you looked into my eyes, angel in jeans in disguise. Where are you from? Are you from heaven? Were you sent for me? It's crazy how all this happened at once. Too many questions, I'm sorry, hon. I need answers to this. Are you the one? Ooh, I don't have a clue. I'm losing my mind over you. Tell me it's just me, but do you feel the same way that we were meant to be? We were meant to be. Everything just adds up to the thought of you and me. All that
I really liked the way they engaged the audience and it was nice. I mean, I enjoyed it. Now let's look at the scores given to them by the judges.
Hello, this reason, okay, very good band, and good backing, tight, and everybody is good. But the main problem is your vocalist. He has to improve a hell a lot. Really, practice hard and make correct his expressions and feel and the power, everything. Okay. Otherwise, it's a very good band, and I appreciate really your compositions. They are good, real good, and the lyrics are good, and your syncopations, your riffs, this and that, everything, all the things putting together is really, really good. Okay. The main problem is you guys, when you go for a gig, come out, one of you, from the stage and check the balancing thing, like how your band sounds, because what I heard here is only the voice standing out really, and the band is not hot. The whole band is way, like the level, like way behind, and your harmony and chorus, that boy was singing, and you guys when you're joining, totally not hot, absolutely totally zero. I don't know whether it was mic problem or it was a balancing thing, level problem. So it is better, a band has to be perfect. So that's your main responsibility. Like some of you has to come out of the stage and check out everything before you perform. Okay. Otherwise, very good, really good. Keep it up. Good. So okay, take care and all the best.
Thank you so much, judges. So what's your feedback on that third song?
Third song, the arrangements are good. I would stick to my part of my evaluation of their performance. The vocalists seriously need to do much better, but otherwise they're a good band.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we'll be taking a short break and we'll be right back.
Music Challenge.
Space, Sashi Pritam's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment.
Music Challenge.
Welcome back to the Deccan Music Challenge, and now we'll be listening to the last song by This Vision.
far from me. You hide beneath the same sun that gives me light to see you. I miss your face. You are my hiding place. Won't you come hold my hand? We'll just be running out of days. True, my love for you is true. I am true. 1, 2, 3, call out to me. A call away, then I'll be there with you. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? 1, 2, 3, call out to me. A call away, then I'll be there with you. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? It's so much pain to bear when you're not here with me. But the thought of you keeps me up and running. I can't wait to hear you things that you tell me. You're so stuck on my mind. I'm sleeping, then I'm dreaming of you. Okay, you guys can clap along. Come on, guys, you can do that. I'm dreaming of you. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? 1, 2, 3, call out to me. A call away, then I'll be there with you. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Okay, how many of you all listen to metal? Anybody that listens to metal? Okay, cool. So this is new. We're going to drop a breakdown for y'all. If y'all want to headbang from wherever you all are. Are you ready? Okay, that was our breakdown, but yeah, that was the last part of the song, but we're going to do it once again for the heck of it.
I like the music. The music was very nice and it just went very smoothly. Now let's look at the scores given to them by the judges. Thank you so much, judges. So what's your opinion on the last song?
Well, overall, this vision has done a good job in terms of presenting original compositions and also the presentation style and the skill basically that they all have acquired in terms of the complete orchestration of the songs. Everything is very impressive. If only the voice would have been better, then seriously, I mean, it would have been much more enjoyable and to have been a real feast to the ears. I mean, that's a little hurting when you hear to it a couple of times and you think about it. The voice should have been better. Anyways, they have done I think they've done a decent job. The judges have actually awarded good points to them because of presenting original compositions, and their style of presentation is really appealing. And of course, they're quite good in performing as a band. Yeah, I mean, if the vocalists were good, I mean, maybe, you know, I would say they would have been in the lead in this particular Deccan Music Challenge here.
Thank you so much, sir. I have a doubt from my end.
Yeah.
What is the practice that the vocalist of a band should go through? Like,
well, the practice for a vocalist is just like the practice for any singer. You know, the do's and don'ts are almost the same when the list of things that we are supposed to do and not do. But primarily, people singing on the stage for performances and all that, especially in rock bands, the kind of energy, the kind of adrenaline that goes into performances. One should be really very, very careful with, you know, to make sure that they don't damage their vocal cords beyond an extent. And that happens with a lot of issues. There are even technical things. You need to make sure that you're using the right impedance matching mics. Otherwise, the closeness with the magnetic field of the mic also affects the vocal cords. So, guys, use quality mics. And the other thing is, if your feedback is bad, I mean, the monitors on the stage are not good and you don't have the right audible levels of your vocals. So what happens is we do not know at what decibels or with what force are we actually singing. And if you're not able to listen to a voice, you don't have a measurement of it when the other instruments are playing around with you. So there's always a chance that you might cause a lot of damage to the vocal cords by either singing it very loud, too high, and put a lot of pressure on the voice during this kind of situation. And apart from this, well, abuse to the voice can happen in many ways. It could be the kind of habits that we have, and most of these gigs are all you know, late night performances. So by the time you wind up and you reach home and you try to give a proper rest to the voice, it will be 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. in the morning, and then that's really bad. You don't get the right amount of sleep, and all these are really damaging the voice and all that. So one needs to be very, very careful, because vocal cords, voice are very sensitive matters, and one needs to take care of them because this voice is very fragile if you don't take care of it. Yeah.
thank you so much, sir. Now let's look at the tally of the marks that the band has got today. Now let's look at the ranking of the bands that have performed so far. Thank you so much for watching today's episode, and we'll be coming back with many more episodes like this. So please stay tuned. We thank our sponsors, we thank the audience and the people behind the scenes. Thank you so much, and we'll meet you again. Bye.
This program is brought to you by Space, Sashi Pritam's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment.
This part of the presentation is supported and sponsored by American Telugu Association, ATA, Telugu Association of Southern California, TASC, Archana Dental Care, your family dentistry, Greater Portland Telugu Association, GPTA, Telugu Association of Greater Sacramento, TAX.
Tech and Music Challenge.